Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free technical support. Right now we're going to talk about error code Charlie 564. Charlie 564 is steam AD converter reports an average value outside the limits of normal operation during sterilizer mode. Temp sensor malfunctioning is one of the possible causes. So we're going to check for residual, pull out all your trays, all your instruments, everything. We're going to go to the temp sensor, it's in the back here. We're going to check for residual buildup. If you see any buildup, any melted paper, anything on there, you're going to clean it with speed clean, distilled water, and abrasive pad. Then we're going to check that nothing is touching or crowding the temp sensor. So that's what, when you pull out all the instruments, you're not going to see that because you pulled them out, obviously. But what we're going to do is, what I'd like you to do is run an empty cycle. So clean your temp sensor, fill up your reservoir with, make sure it's full with water, and run an empty cycle without any instruments or trays, anything. Make sure that we can rule out that anything's touching that temp sensor. If the error persists, then we got to dig deeper. Call our tech support line. We can help you with that. Most likely, you're going to have to take the right side panel off. So unplug the unit from the wall, get your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the right hand side panel, and then we will reveal the PC board. We're going to be looking. This is the temp sensor. So we might it's a push fitting. You push and pull out. Then we're going to inspect it, and we're going to push it and pull it back in. You're going to want to make sure there's a red, white, and a green. Make sure all the wires are fully seated inside of the connector, and then we're going to push it back and connect it. You can also do a resistance test with that, with a multimeter if you're willing. There's a temperature sensor supply voltage test we can run through diagnostics on the PC board. A lot of this stuff is very technical. I'd recommend just sending it in for repair before we had to do something like that. And the most obvious, actually, according to our manual here, is to make sure that the sterilizer is level. So if the sterilizer is not level, then you're going to get all kinds of wacky temperature readings. But make sure the front's not way higher than the back, and the back is not way higher than the front. And run a regular table level across the front. Make sure it's in the bubbles in the lines, and across the back, make sure the bubble is in the lines. But 564 basically goes right to the temp sensor as long as your sterilizer is level. And from there, it needs a technician to further diagnose. If you like this video, please share it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you.